Does it always have to be the absolutely horrible smelling wheel cleaner with an active indicator to clean our wheels? I clearly say no. There are beautiful alternative products here that allow us to clean our wheels in just as efficient and effective a manner, but at the same time in a much more pleasant way. And one of these products I would like to introduce to you today is the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner. There are two features of the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner that make this product an absolute recommendation, at least from my perspective, when it comes to gentle wheel cleaning. On one hand, we do not have an active indicator in this product, and on the other hand, this product is also pH neutral. No, the products from Chemical Guys have never been the cheapest. This means that this one is also relatively expensive, but it has a third feature that I would like to briefly discuss now. The Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner is a special product for me personally because there is a bit of a story behind it. Before I joined this channel and started producing videos myself, I was just a viewer like all of you. And there was a video, which was among the first I saw on this channel, where Sebastian tested the Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner 2021 and compared it with other wheel cleaners. And he also critically mentioned that in his view, it does not clean well enough.
Let's take a look at the wheel. There is a lot of dirt in this area. This was the dilution recommended by Chemical Guys. You can see massive dirt on my finger here, and the marking is still clearly visible down here. I'll go over it. It comes off quite easily when you rub it a bit with your finger. The cleaner also did not perform well here, and therefore this cleaner has really failed for me. I absolutely cannot make a recommendation. You have clearly seen the images, and we also used the Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner here in completely pure form, meaning completely undiluted. And for that, it showed a miserable cleaning performance.
I was personally quite critical and also wrote that in a comment under the video at the time because I said, Sebastian, I think you were not entirely fair to the product, or you did not apply it as the Chemical Guys actually intend. To be clear, if you compare the Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner with a wheel cleaner that has an active indicator, apply it in the same way, meaning I spray the cleaner onto the wheel, let it work, and then rinse it off without mechanical support, then it is not a good product. And Sebastian was absolutely right to say that. The Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner is not a wheel cleaner with an active indicator. This means that when you spray it on, there is no color change. It is also a pH neutral cleaner or shampoo. And that is why we cannot and must not assume that this product cleans just as well when we use it the same way we usually use wheel cleaners. And this is the absolutely crucial point. We in the German-speaking area often and gladly work with such wheel cleaners. We also approach wheel cleaning differently here. We spray our wheels with it, wanting a cleaner that does this as effectively as possible, meaning cleaning the wheels without additional mechanical influence. Then we rinse it off, and then we are done. In the Anglo-American region, meaning America and also England, wheels are usually cleaned differently, namely almost always with the support of a wheel glove or good wheel brush. That is why different cleaners are preferred there. They use cleaners like, for example, the one from Chemical Guys, clean their wheels mechanically, and only in a second step, when there are still brake dust residues, do they spray their wheels with something like this to specifically remove the baked-on brake dust. Which of these two methods is better or works better? I leave it to you to decide. In this video, however, I want to draw your attention to the possibility of cleaning your wheels differently, and this is crucial in my view, also a little more gently. In this regard, I will now, in the first step, advise many of you against the chemicalized Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner. If wheel cleaning is not something you personally enjoy, if you want to be done as quickly as possible, if you want it to be as efficient and effective as possible, if you do not want to use a wheel brush and a wheel mitt, if you do not want to take an additional wash bucket for wheel cleaning, if it is just a task for you that needs to be done as quickly, easily, and problem-free as possible. And if you also don't care if a wheel cleaner smells a bit, then please do not get this product. It will not make you happy, and it will not satisfy you. Get a well-functioning wheel cleaner. Those are your products. But if you are someone who enjoys car care, who takes pleasure in it, for whom it is a hobby, perhaps even a therapeutic activity, and who likes to take a little more time to clean the wheels, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Cleaner to all of you because, as I mentioned before, it does not smell. That would be too simplistic. Not only does it not smell, but it also provides you with... Oh, yes. Oh, God. Oh, this is really getting loud. Ah. This will surprise some of you that I actually say this, but of all the car care products I have tested and own, this is among those with the best, most pleasant scent for me personally. Yes, I said it. That includes waxes, that includes interior scents, that includes everything. I can't even say exactly what it is 100%. I would say it falls into the cherry bubblegum-like scent, but it is so pleasant, it is so strong, and above all, it really fills the air completely in a self-service car wash when you use it here. So just because of this characteristic, again, but only if car care is also a passion for you, you should definitely take a look at the product. To be very clear, no, this is not a perfect product. One characteristic that I personally don't like so much, for example, you can already see that if it stands here longer, the ingredients really separate. And only when you really shake it well, yes. Then slowly, but you see there is still something down there. So you really have to shake it. Well, because only then do these ingredients mix again. Unfortunately, this is something we often see with shampoos from Chemical Guys. And that is definitely a feature that I don't like. So you really have to shake it well and for a long time before you can put the product in the bucket or in the spray bottle. It must also be clearly stated that within the category of wheel shampoos, I am convinced that there are some that clean clearly and distinctly better, such as it says back there, the Infinity Wax Wheel Shampoo or the Garage Therapy One Wheel Shampoo. Unfortunately, you can currently only get this in England or in some Dutch shops. You can get this at our partner shop, Waschguru. However, both of these shampoos unfortunately do not provide the same emotional experience, as they do not have this special and truly pronounced strong scent. And when I have wheels that I clean regularly, especially if I have wheels that are properly and well sealed, for example with a ceramic coating, then I personally find that this is an absolutely excellent choice in combination with a microfiber wheel brush or a microfiber wash mitt. In a world where countless opportunities await, we find ourselves surrounded by endless possibilities. Thousands upon thousands of moments are waiting to be filled with meaning and purpose. Let us come together to fill these empty spaces with our dreams, aspirations, and hopes. Like a halo that encircles us, these opportunities shine brightly, illuminating the path forward. We must seize the chance to create something beautiful and lasting, to leave our mark on the world. So, let us embrace this journey with open hearts and minds, ready to explore the vast potential that lies before us. Together, we can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, filling the void with our collective energy and passion. Let us not hesitate, for the time is now to make a difference and to fill these empty spaces with the light of our shared vision. Let's certainly fill these empty faces. Halo. Take it on the I'm definitely going to show you what you absolutely want you to indeed hold me. In terms of application, I have already mentioned the crucial part. This here is a wheel cleaner. I would say wheel shampoo. This means you basically have 3 different ways to apply it. Either you put this in a separate wash bucket that you only use for wheel cleaning because we tend to have more and more aggressive dirt on the wheels than on the paint. That's why I would personally always use a separate wash bucket. Put 2001 into the wash bucket. Take a microfiber wheel brush and/or a microfiber wash mitt. For example, the thin red one from Sonax or the Chemical Guys wheel brush are very suitable because they are handy and allow you to easily reach behind the spokes during cleaning. Or you use option 2. This means you put the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner Concentrate into a pump sprayer, according to the instructions from Chemical Guys. Now we come to a point that I also don't quite like because it says you should dilute it 3:1. This specification is a bit difficult because normally it's the other way around. Usually manufacturers say 1:3 or 1:10, and then you know to take 1 part of the product to 3 parts of water. To be honest, I don't know if 3:1 is just the American way of telling you how to dilute it. That means it is actually intended for you to take 1 part of the product here with 3 parts water, or if it is actually meant that you need to take 3 parts product and 1 part water. Honestly, give it a try. I have tried both, and I have to say, I believe the 1:3 mixture, that is 1 part product to 3 parts water, still works just as it should. So put this into a pump sprayer, dilute it accordingly, spray it onto the entire wheels, also spray it additionally into the wash mitt and/or into the microfiber wheel brush, and then you simply work here with a combination of chemistry and mechanics. I will link you a video up here in which I explain the basic concept of chemistry of the Sinner Circle. Once again, every chemical cleaning process is always based on 4 components: chemistry, time, temperature, and mechanics. Here, we forego strong chemicals and instead bring mechanics into play, achieving at the end of the day, on regularly cleaned and especially sealed wheels, the same cleaning result as we would have with a wheel cleaner with a pH indicator, namely a clean wheel, but importantly in a gentler way, because we are working here with gentle mechanical means, microfiber, and a mild chemistry, and a bit more time, instead of relying on stronger, relatively aggressive chemicals. Variant 3 works just like with the pump sprayer. You can also use a foam sprayer. This means that the product foams up here, which causes it to stay on the wheel a bit longer and not dry out as quickly, giving you more time for cleaning. However, it must be clearly stated that I do not think you have better cleaning performance or that the application is more pleasant, because whether you use it in a pump or foam sprayer, I found the gliding properties with these wheel brushes or microfiber wash mitts to be exactly the same. Once again, because this is a product where the enjoyment of use is also in the foreground, I think the foam sprayer is just a bit more fun. And because the Diablo Gel Cleaner is such a gentle cleaner, if you have a ready-made mixture of the product left in your foam sprayer after cleaning, you can absolutely use it on the rest of the car as well, for example, to perform a nice pre-wash or pre-cleaning. And that's actually it. I could rave about the scent for hours. I could show you pictures of the application for hours. We don't need to make this a rocket science, as it really isn't. It is a wheel cleaner, specifically a gentle pH neutral one without a weigh indicator, which makes it a lot of fun to use for these reasons. It is a very nice alternative if you use microfiber wheel brushes or wash mitts, if you like to take your time, if you want it to be enjoyable, and if you want to use a wheel cleaner that smells very pleasant and doesn't stink. And especially, my absolute tip is to use this if you have sealed wheels, because this way you will benefit from your sealed wheels for longer. We seal our wheels so that cleaning is easier afterwards. So why should we still rely on aggressive chemicals on sealed wheels? Would you rather use something gentle like the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel Cleaner and have fun with car care? If you have already used the Diablo Gel Cleaner yourself, I would be very interested to know how you found it. Please let us know in the comments under this video. If you enjoyed the video, we would be very happy if you signal that to us with a thumbs up and if you tune in for the next video. Goodbye.